Hey guys, Ian from Tentworld in Toowoomba here to talk to you about the Companion Adventure First Aid Kit. So first off, this 52-piece first aid kit only weighs in at 280 grams. It is a three-fold construction with sealable pouches there as well, so you can actually keep everything nice, clean, tidy. So if you've used any bandages, that sort of thing, you can put them in their own little section. So as you can see there, this thing is fully packed out. It does come with a CPR mask, emergency blanket. You've also got all your other basics such as forceps, safety pins, scissors, and everything included in that. Lots of different bandages. You've actually got a conforming bandage in there as well, so if you have any sprains or anything like that. And it will also come with an instruction sheet on what to do if certain situations arise. So if someone's been poisoned, someone's having trouble breathing, you've got everything you need in there to figure out what to do and which was the best way to do it. So if you have any questions about this or any of our other first aid kits, definitely come in the store, give us a shout out, and we'll try and answer any questions for you. Thank you.